Alright guys, today on our 2004 Oldsmobile Alero, we're replacing the side mirror that my sister decided to kiss the side of her garage with. So, first things first, take off this trim panel right here. We got 3 bolts in here, 10mm socket. He's fine. And we're just going to take those off. The mirror's already gone. It's not replaceable. I clipped the wire on the outside, so it's toast. So we're just going to take, if we can, there we go. Broke everything out, so we're just taking the studs out now. That's all that's left of the mirror. The new mirror did not come with nuts, so we want to make sure we don't lose these or drop them down the door, because it's the last thing you want to do. Just turn it on the outside here. Okay. So we got all the old mirror set up. This is the old mirror wiring. We'll show you how to get into that here in just a minute. So we're just going to put our brand new replacement in. Then we're going to worry about fishing the wire down through the door and getting it all plugged in to make sure everything works the way it should. Wire comes through. As you can see, this job isn't really rocket science. Gonna get all these on hand tight before we put a little torque to it. All right. You don't need to kill these things here. You gotta remember, it's just a plastic stud and a plastic housing. Well, metal stud and a plastic housing here. So, with that, our mirror is on. Now, if you didn't have the power windows on yours, show you a little insulation piece back in there, and put back on your little trim piece, and you're done. But we have opted for the super luxury model here, so we have power windows. Now, we got our wire going down here. Now, I really don't want to have to take this whole door panel off in order to replace the power. So, I got my little cat's claw hair guy, trim tool, whatever you want to call it. We're just going to kind of pry it back in here and just see if we can see right where our power is, and we can. So just right down in the door here, you can see right where our power is connected. Now, with that being said, I don't want to remove this whole door panel. So I can see right where it's at. It does have a little retainer right in the door, right in the door pillar, in the door frame here, I should say. So what I'm trying to do, just trying to see Okay. So that retainer is not going to come out, which is fine. Because it looks like I was able to pull our connector out, no problem. With that being said, the new connector can plug right back into the top where it was. With that, let me grab and show you. Alright, so we have our wire coming out the side here. I've just pulled the door panel enough to get some access in here. Pull back. Boom, right there. We got two connectors. We got that one. We got this guy right here. This is the one for our locks, or not our locks, our mirror. Pulled it back, plugged it in. Now, with that being said, let's get our panel. Everything pushed back up in where it's supposed to go.
Go.
Yeah, go. We already got our bolts here torqued down. Had a couple little retainer guys in here for the trim piece. This is kind of nice. Got a little slit in it for our wiring. If we even need it, we just shove this guy back in there how it was. Insulation. Get our trim piece back on. Boom! With that, guys, you have a fully functioning mirror on the side of your 2004 Oldsmobile Alero. With that, if you guys like what you saw, give us a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, stay tuned for more.